Go to places you've never been with the Rambo Venom electric bike. You will love using it on off-road paths to cut commutes and having no problems riding bumpy or pothole-ridden streets. The Rambo Venom electric bike comes with a 48-volt 1000-watt Bafang Ultra Drive electric motor that has a blistering top speed of 28 miles per hour. The bike comes with a Samsung 17 amp-hour lithium-ion battery pack hidden inside the bottom tube, giving the bike a streamlined look and a maximum range of 40 miles. This bike features the innovative roll-off 14-speed internal hub, giving you a lot of gears for uphill riding and speed runs on the road. This electric hunting bike also comes with premium Maxxis Minion 4.8-inch thick fat tires on a pair of 26-inch Welgo 70mm wide double-wall rims. That's why you can ride this bike anywhere, even on the beach, snow, sand, and on loose terrains. With free shipping, lowest prices guaranteed, fast delivery and no sales tax, it's easy to see why Electric Bike Paradise is the leading electric bike retailer online. So shop our selection of e-bikes now at electricbikeparadise.com or reach us at 800-590-2738 and talk to our sales specialist, available from Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.